So now first we are going to discuss with structure of HTML. So how we are going to have a basic HTML structure. Okay. So here I'm going to open a fresh notepad. Just close everything. See, on desktop I created one directory, right? So HTML 10.11.26.03. So this is our directory. Okay, so in this directory only I'm going to save all the HTML files. So you also create one directory, save all the HTML files in that specific directory, because in future if you want to check the programs, for you it will be easy. Let's say HTML, all HTML programs, CSS directory, all CSS programs, like that. Okay, so whatever, so I created one directory, so here only I will be saving all the programs. Okay, whatever, open a fresh notepad. So after opening the notepad, just 1 second. Yeah, just type the structure. So HTML open and HTML close, head open, head close, body open and body close. So this is some predefined structure. Just blindly we need to follow. That's it. Okay. So HTML open and HTML close, head open, head close, body open, body close, and inside the head only, title open, title close. So this is the predefined structure that we need to follow. Okay, and also now we are learning only HTML, so that's the reason just a basic structure like this. Okay, so but in future, so I will add this one, doc type. So if you write like this is nothing but which version? HTML5 version. So along with this doc type, okay, even we need to add some meta tags also. So like this, a basic structure includes so many things. Okay, but right now this is our first program, right? So that is the reason I'm not writing any doc type and I'm not writing any meta. Only this part is enough. Okay, fine. So what I did here, HTML open, HTML close, head open, head close. So inside the head only, title open and title close. And after closing head, we are having what? Body open and body close. Okay, whatever, just save it. So from here, file, save or save as, you can prefer anything. So I'm saving on desktop. So HTML 1011, this is my directory. So you also try to give some numbers. Actually, in real time, okay, saving the file, especially starting with numbers, it is not recommended. But why I am giving means, okay, you also save with this numbers only. In future, you can check in order, first program, second program, third program, something like that. Okay, so that's the reason I'm giving. But actually, in real time, don't start with any numbers. Prefer always lowercase alphabets. Okay, but now just I'm giving numbers so that in future, okay, you can check in order. So one dot, you can give any name. I already said, right, you can save it with HTML, no problem. But as per W3C, they were recommending .html. Just save like this. Just click on save. Okay, so again, see here from first, from here, file, save or save as. Already I saved, that's the reason save as. You can give any name, but I am giving some meaningful name because in future to check these programs, it will be easy for me. That's the reason I am giving a proper name. I gave some structure name .html. Just give some meaningful names so that you can check easily these programs in future. So already this file is there. Just click on S. Okay. Now go here. So this is my directory, right? Okay. So HTML 10.11.26.03. So this is my one dot structure dot HTML. So one dot structure dot HTML. So now here, right click, open with any browser. I am preferring what? Google Chrome. So here I don't have anything. See, I did not write anything. That's the reason I can't see any output or anything here. Even just I opened that file. Now what I'm going to do means, so inside the title, I am giving some name. So inside the title, whatever the name we are writing, okay, that we can see. See, after doing any changes, Control S to save and go to the browser. You can press F5 or otherwise click here. Okay, so right now here also the same thing. I did not write anything, only I wrote what? Title. What is my title here? Structure of HTML. And next go here and check it here. On the top you can see. Okay, so right now this HTML page title is what? Structure of HTML. We can see on top here. To avoid confusion, I am giving some spaces. No need to give any spaces, just for your clarification. Okay, HTML open, HTML close, head open, head close. So inside the head only, title open, title close. Then afterwards body open, body close, Control S to save and go to the browser and refresh. So now on top I can see the title.